I think I got the secret why there was adoration tonight. Today is the 25th of the month. I didn't see it. It's the monthly apparition of Our Lady and the public message. And look, there was adoration. This is all the people coming off from the adoration right now. I guess this is the secret why there was adoration today. As you see, I'm still learning as well. Look at this beautiful, beautiful sunset. Isn't that beautiful? That's why I'm loving Medjugorje so much. You have this peace here, which is unbelievable. You know, I just did an interview with a priest from Tanzania, and afterwards I did a confession with him. That was beautiful. And this is Medjugorje live. You have these beautiful coincidences here, that you meet like beautiful people. This guy from France as well. He's a beautiful man. I know this guy. We'll talk to him later. Bonjour, monsieur. Je vous connais. Ça va? Je fais un film là, mais tu vas partir, mais on se revoit. Tu es là? Combien de temps tu es là?
Jusque samedi.
Ok.
Enfin, samedi matin, on s'en va.
Donc on se retrouve?
Okay. Encore 2 jours.
Encore 2 jours, on se retrouvera?
Oui. Oui,
tu as la messe française demain?
Oui, bien sûr.
Donc je vais à la messe et on se revoit demain?
À Jean-Paul II.
Ok.
Demain à 8h, c'est à 8h le matin.
À 8h, oh, donc je viens.
Ouais.
Ok.
Voilà.
Ciao.
Allez, bonne soirée.
Bonne soirée. You see, you meet these nice people. He was here last December, and he's a really, really kind people you meet here with a lot of heart, as you can see. And so this is my little impression from today, the 25th of May 2022, from here from Medjugorje. I hope you liked it. The sun is setting over there, and I think that is the secret why there was adoration. That was because there was it was the 25th of May 2022, the day of the monthly apparition of Our Lady. You see here the biggest confessional of the world, it's called. Can't you see Medjugorje is beautiful because people get back to their faith, they confess, and the fruits are good. You can see by the fruits if the place is good, and this place is good because you can see the fruits, how many people come, how many confess. I did confession right now as well, and with a beautiful priest. Don't be shy, wherever you are. You don't need to confess only in Medjugorje. You can confess everywhere in the world, and will lift the burdens from your heart. And like my brother said when he went to confession, he said like the sky is bluer, the grass is greener, the air is more clear. And that's what I wish you at the end of this video. You know, this is the beauty of our faith, is this Catholic faith, is that we have confession, we can have a total reset. That means the sins can be dark as red as scarlet, they will be washed white. As the priest said from Tanzania, check out the video, priest Tanzania, and he said it the same. And I wish you a beautiful evening from Medjugorje, and take advantage of the sacrament of confession. Don't fear the priest. One priest said after 6 months, I know everything, every human sin. It's repeating, human is human. They are not shocked by your sin because they heard it already and they forget about it, you know. And because sometimes we think, oh, what will people think? They will think nothing. The priest, they heard everything. Don't worry, they just want to help you. Pray for a good priest, for a good confession, and you will see, you will have something, a life-changing experience. A lot of people say the real thing, what happens here is after confession, they feel much more happy, much more in peace and in joy. So have a beautiful day or evening wherever you are from Medjugorje. I pray for you. Please pray for me as well. God bless you all. Bye-bye.